What if you find out you're running a dual hard, dual battery device? For sure, like us, why not install a dual OS? Follow us how Celltronix.
How to install Chrome OS with Windows. Hi everyone, Salam Muslims. First open Chrome App Recovery app in Chrome browser, then choose Chrome OS Flex, insert blank USB and create a USB. On your laptop or desktop, first install Windows, then plug this USB, and boot from it. Boot keys for different make and models are different. Now Chrome will open installation menu. It will ask you install or try options. Choose install, then here if you create a drive for Chrome, chose that in our case 2 devices are installed, so we'll chose small drive for Chrome. Click install to confirm. Now wait, it will install the OS and reboot. It will take some time, depends on the speed of your device, so here we will fast forward it. Now we are done here. Unplug your USB and reboot if it auto reboot. Now just follow the wizard username, password, Wi-Fi, etc. Also update it if asked. For dual boot, when reboot press boot key. My case is F12, then it will show window and Chrome Flex. If partition create, don't press it, it'll auto show you window and Chrome Flex. If you like this video, share, like and comments. God bless us all, especially my brothers and sisters in Palestine, Gaza. Ameen. Comments for any quires.
What if you find out you're running a dual hard, dual battery device? For sure, like us, why not install a dual OS? Follow us how Celltronix